When you're thinking of going through a lymphatic system detoxification to improve your health, it's really important to understand how we need to balance the body. And you hear me talk about balance a lot. I've been talking about the lymphatic system for over 24 years, and really balance is internally in your body is so important. Often we're trying to get healthy and we have no idea that we're very acidic inside of our body. And really we need to get our pH, and pH is really an indicator of whether we're acid or alkaline in our body. pH stands for percent hydrogen. And when you are more acidic, we have more hydrogen in our body. When we're more alkaline, we have more oxygen and less hydrogen. But we really want to be in balance. And that's why you hear me talking about balancing. Because if you eat acid foods like chicken, fish, steak, pasta, bread, you eat white rice, even brown rice or whole wheat bread, is still acid forming, even though they may be a little more nutritious. But it really is about how do we get acid out of our body. And it really comes down to our diet, that we have to eat more fruits and vegetables. And trust me, I'm not a vegetarian, and I never ate vegetables. And that's why I was so sick when I learned of this. But just by putting more fruits and vegetables into your diet, limiting wheat and heavy meats like red meat, you can make a big difference in how you go through your lymphatic system detoxification, or even how you heal. So it's everything. It's not just food. Even the air we breathe has to be balanced. A recent study showed that the air has a lot of CO2 in it. That CO2, carbon dioxide, interacts with our oceans, with the water, and it's making carbonic acid in our water. It's raising the acid levels in our water, and it's damaging the fish and reefs. Well, think about it. What happens when we breathe this in and our lungs have water in them? Then we're making carbonic acid in our body just from breathing. So it's not just diet, there's breathing. We need to get rid of the carbonic acid from the CO2 in our air, and we also need to get rid of the acid from stress. I don't know about you, but I see a lot of people who are very stressed. And when you have continual stress all the time, it is debilitating. It builds acid in your body. And I can work on a client, get their lymph system going, balance their pH, and they'll feel really good. They'll go out and buy a car or have an argument, and boom, they really get acidic inside. So it's something, that we have to think about, balancing everything from our diet to our stress, the air we breathe, the beverages we drink, what you may smoke. Everything has to be balanced. And it's not an equal share that if you have some acid food, you can have one or two vegetables. If you have some acid, you need to have a lot of alkaline vegetables to really balance it. And that's why we also want to include some magnesium. Magnesium is a very easy way to sort of help to balance your body. If you have any questions on how balancing your body can improve your health and improve your lymphatic system detoxification, contact me at osipinskihealthacademy.com, or another URL is lymphman.com, LYMPHMAN.com, lymphman.com. On the bottom of my homepage, there is a PDF. You can get a link for a PDF for an acid alkaline food chart. Put that on your refrigerator. We should really know what foods we're eating. It's not about being perfect and only eating alkaline. It's really understanding what's acid, what's alkaline, and balancing that in your life. I hope this helps you. Contact me with any questions at lymphman.com. Thanks.